welcome to the party. We're here talking about everything that's happening in Decentraland, and where some of the most important things are happening are right here in the blog. They always give you the latest sort of updates right here, and we just got one today. The in-world builder is now open to everyone. That's right. Everyone can start building and designing. That's how I got started in Decentraland, but they didn't have the in-world builder available to everybody. They only had the main builder, which you can get right here in the top. But if you own land, you can actually walk onto land and start building on it. So, I'm gonna show the UI for sure. So this is the old builder right here. So typically you would go in here, and anyone can actually access this already. You can come here and say, in the old builder, and you can just choose what size land you want. But it's not something that is fluid to the user experience. It's kind of like its own separate thing. So it loads up its own setup here. Oh, DCL Zeus. I am. You're an OG. If you've been around, you know how fun it is to mess around with this builder. But this one hasn't been so reliable. People have started to really tend to wanting to use this in-world builder. So without further ado, I think you press K. So you walk on a piece of land, and right now I guess anyone can do that on any land. And you press K on your keyboard, and here you go. Okay, so here's the buttons that you can use. Left click to select. Square select, multiple select, cancel, deselect, rotate view, click and drag. Okay, that's what we're doing. Camera navigation. Okay, you can do WASD. Okay, right click in that. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Easy. So you hold your right click, and you can do WASD, and you can move around in this way. Very useful. And they have all these existing asset packs, so you can start building things with what they already have. Let's get down and dirty here. Ooh, looks good. It looks more accurate to like what is in the world, to be honest. This center thing, if you click and drag, that scales it, and this in each direction. You can change these buttons. You can select G to make it a movement. So maybe if we were going to say, let's make our own parkour challenge, right? Shift D, you can duplicate things, and so really quickly you can start to using the scaling. You can go ahead and create your own parkour challenge. So Shift D, scale it down. Shift D, scale it down more. And then say maybe you want to preview it. I'm pretty sure, let's see. I think maybe if you don't own it, you can select here to preview it, but since this particular land, maybe we want to spice it up a little bit here. Change the floor. see what happens. I'm actually in talks with a parcel owner to do their build for free so I can get some referrals started. That is a great way to get started. That's how, folks, I think that's how every successful person in the metaverse got started. Start building. People, I was just talking to a friend of mine who was also saying, they want to get started and, growing in this new economy. And I told him, like, the best thing you can do is look at what skills that you have, start building in the space, start learning some new skills, and in the next couple months, you'll get to the point where you're getting opportunities that you weren't before. And look at that, boom, here we are, our parkour challenge. I think you might need to go back in. Hold on. So you press K and boom, there it is. I think it just needs a second to go in. Let's see what happens. Here we go, refreshed. Oh, I love that experience though. That is a great experience, I'm not gonna lie. There we are. Shazam. So this is land that I personally own. So that's how it works if you own the land. If you don't own the land, which is what this update is all about, let me show you. So now the world is open to everybody, not just landowners. So now, even if you don't own the land, so now I don't own this parcel right here. But if I press K, hold on. Let's read through this. In-world builder that's been available to landowners since last year can now be used by everyone in Decentraland. Yay! Decentraland's in-world builder lets you create visual scenes that you can deploy in-world by just dragging and dropping items from the catalog into your scene. Like the one in the photo above. Look at how beautiful that is. You can move, rotate, duplicate, do all that good stuff. If you own the land, you can publish this scene you're working on onto the plot and see them in world. Here we go, let's see. Introducing projects. Okay, here we go. It's called projects. So let's see. Builder, you can select builder now. So you select the little icon in the top, you go to builder. So you don't press K, that's if you own the land. If you don't, then you go in your top little icon, you select builder, and now there's an area called projects. Interesting, let's select new project. Reporters lounge. I'm gonna make a little lounge for the reporters. Applications to become a Decentraland reporter are now open. Just gonna put it on a 1x1, which is 16 by 16 meters. Exactly. Beautiful. Cyberpunk. I'm gonna put a little table there. We're going to. Oh, there's categories. That makes it so nice. The link. Where are the smart objects? So that's something I'm seeing right now. I don't think they have smart objects in here. Can confirm. Y'all check too on your end, but I'm pretty sure I don't see any smart objects, which for me are like essential, right? How can I can't connect a website, you know, for the applications without it, so that's heartbreaking. And that's when I go back to the main builder and I say, goodness gracious, great balls of fire, I hope this thing still works. I guess this will have to be unfolding breaking news right here. Smart objects might be at a halting stop right now, folks. For everyone who has their builds, this build that we have for the Decentraland Report HQ has been made completely on that old school builder. So it says okay, so let's go back. You may have already used the web builder, which is open for everyone to use. While the two editors are similar, you will find that the interface in the world builder is easier to use. It doesn't yet support smart items like we said, land metrics, or the exporting importing of scenes from other editing programs, and the new packages cannot yet be added in the catalog, but it is still a work in progress. Ultimately, the in-world builder will replace the web builder to become the main scene editing tool for Decentraland. For now, the two builders are compatible and you can edit the same scene in both. If you're interested in the creation of scenes in Decentraland, be sure to stay tuned for more news, improvements, and updates. Yes, that's where I think my favorite experiences in Decentraland have come from. Events, but also building. People, can we just say last week was amazing?